All-party Hurriyat Conference has said that the people of the territory are facing the worst kind of repression. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, said that the cruel actions against the Hurriyat leadership, activists and the common people were aimed at stopping them from pursuing the ongoing struggle for securing their right to self-determination. Indian troops arrested 2 Kashmiri youth in the Shopian district today. Personnel of the Indian Central Reserve Police Force and the police arrested the youth during an operation at the Malik Chak crossing in the district. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has expressed hope that the leaders of India and Pakistan would create an atmosphere for dialogue and to resolve the mutual concerns and issues. Umar Abdullah was speaking to the reporters in Srinagar. Continued cordon and search operations and the house raids by the Indian troops in different parts of the occupied Kashmir have badly affected the daily life of the oppressed people in the territory. Cordon and search operations and the house raids are going in different areas against the pro-freedom people in the guise of maintaining the so-called security during the Indian parliamentary elections. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said that the BJP-led Indian government is trying to revive Ikhwan to throttle the people's voice and the pave way for 1987-like poll rigging in the occupied Kashmir. Ikhwan was an Indian army-backed local force formed in the early 80s to crush the pro-movement Kashmiris. A fire incident at a library in the Islamabad district has reduced around 1 lakh books to the ashes. Known for its collection of the rare books, the Islamic Research Institute Library served as a beacon of knowledge for decades together. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah has expressed grave concern over the severe hardships and sufferings being faced by the people in the occupied Kashmir. Addressing a rally in Srinagar, Farooq Abdullah said that there was an urgent need to defeat the hostile elements in the occupied Kashmir.